Hi guys, it's Shipbase here, and this is cabin 1630 on Independence of the Seas. It is a balcony cabin. On the back of the door, you have all your master station information, where to find it. You have some hooks up here. You have the wardrobe in here. Get some low hanging and some high hanging. You also get the safe as well. Then you get the bathroom in here, get a nice shower, toilet, and you get a sink, and there's more space behind here as well. The shelves seem to be missing now. Very interesting. So on other balcony rooms there will be shelves here. It's here. No, this is my nan's room. I have no idea why I said that. I'll ask afterwards. Then yeah, towels. And then you got the thermostat here. Then you got a full length mirror. Got a sofa. This does not connect sofa bed, so this room is just 2. But you do have the connecting door to the accessible junior suite, which can hold 4. So if you have this room 4 and 2, so you can have 6 altogether with the 2 rooms. Then you have the table, the dressing table, vanity area with the lights. Then you've got some drawers here, drawers there, mini fridge in there, and then you've got cubby holes behind here. And behind that one there. Kettle, you've got plugs here and here. TV's on, showing one of the street parties. Got a bat. Got this curtain that goes out to here. Like I said, already the connecting door. Then you have the double bed. The main light's not on. And then you also have some storage here as well. Yeah, you have the double bed and 2 bedside tables. There's no plugs by the bed in this one. You do get a USB on the side of the phone over here. That's the best you're going to get on Independence of the Seas. You get reading light and a bedside table light. Yeah, really nice sized cabin. And then let's go onto the balcony. Balcony's really nice size. Got 2 tables and chairs. 1 table, 2 chairs. And then it also just sticks out. It's on the corner, so it kind of goes upwards. So you can get really good views from the front of the ship. It kind of comes out. Here, this other side of this is the Royal Suite, and they have like floor to ceiling windows. Very nice room. Lucky enough to stay in there once. So basically, this is connected. We have both rooms, so this is open. So this would normally, if you just get this room, this one will be closed. So it'll be up to this line and here. So this will be the size of your balcony. Yeah, really nice size and really nice view of the Independence. There's the front of the ship. Thanks so much for watching. It's been Shipbase here. If you have any questions about the cabin, please put in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have about this cabin. Thank you for watching. It's been Shipbase here. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.